Hi guys, it is Shop Mimir here, and in this video I will show you the product Local Reputer from inside. But let me give you a very big thank you firstly to giving your precious time to watch this video Local Reputer review. Inside this video I will clear you the product from every aspects, and I will show you each and every options inside this product. Okay, so let me clear you one thing, that you will be given also something good and huge valuable bonuses from my website if you purchase it from my website, from my link, with the exact same price. Okay, so let me clear you the bonus part on the later part of the video. But what you can do, that there is another way. If you want to know more about the bonuses, you can use the timestamps from the video description. You will be redirected to the bonus part and you can check out the bonus part. But let me start with the product now. So I'll clear you the bonus part on the later part of the video. So let me give you a brief about this product. This product is all about your growth as a local business, as well as a digital business also. So let me show you one example here. So once I have if I search here, if I search inside Google salon shop inside Google, it will show me some results. So previously Google was showing 7 results inside this place, and there was no maps inside this and no locations also of the shops. But these days Google are showing the exact location of the shops and also the ratings, the other stuffs like how many people have recommended this shop, and what are the ratings, what is the closing time and opening time, all of the stuffs. As these things are trending, Google is also updating. And if you want to rank your website, your business or your staffs or your shop inside this section, inside also get the fully optimized free traffics from Google, you should try this tool, and this will be the best option for you. Okay, so let me show you the tool from inside now. So there are 2 options, and let me open it inside a new tab, the find lead option, and let me click here the get started option. So inside the lead find option, inside it you have to integrate your Facebook and Google My Business account. Okay, so I have integrated my Facebook account, I have connected it, but I have no any Google My Business account. Google My Business is a cool feature for the business, for the local businesses, and they can enlist in Google via creating their account. They can register their businesses via creating their account. Once you have created your account inside Google My Business, you can integrate them, and that will be the best option to use this tool. Before using this tool, you should make an account inside Google My Business. Okay, so let me show you from this page. This is the dashboard of this tool, and this tool has so many features, and each and every feature is very vital. Maybe I leave something, but I will try my best to show you the options. So inside website widget, it will give me a create new widget option. So let me put here any type of widget name, and let me click on next option. So once I have clicked here, it will show me it will recommend me 4 widgets. Okay, so the first one is modal widget, which is kind of pop-up. Okay, so the next one is floating bar widget, that is something like that. And inside this, the slide out is something like that. From left or right you can slide out your widget, what is your recommendation, are all stuffs. Okay, so the last one is box widget. It will appear, it will be floating anywhere inside your website. So you can change any all of the stuffs inside this. Everything is customizable, and you can make it different size, and you can change the format and color and everything. So this is a good widget to get a recommendation from the people. And also Google also rank that kind of pages or websites easily, those who has a snippet. Okay, so this is kind of a snippet thing, and inside that type of snippets, there will be 90% more chance to rank your website inside Google. Okay, so let me show you the next option. The next option is QR code generator. Okay, maybe I am doing it bit faster because I don't want to make the video lengthy. So let me start with a create new QR code. Okay, let me put here any name, and inside this option you have to choose among the three options. You have to choose one, the business card, the only card, or the flyer option. Let me choose the business card. So it will show me some image editor option, and inside that you can put here all of the images, all of the stakes. Let me upload here any image here, any random image. Okay, so it is taking time a bit. Okay, it has come. So and now you can put any text here, any random text here. Okay, so after that, after putting all of the steps, you can put here also QR code via giving your sorry, let me copy it, Control C, and paste it here. So after putting all of the QR codes and all of the steps, you can make a business card, and you can save it as an offline option, or you can use it as an online option. Okay, so both are the options are given here. As I am saying that every options are really vital. I really mean it. Okay, so inside hot leads, you can find leads inside your local business. So you can, so let me go through the generating pages, and you can find, I have not connected it inside this feature. Okay, so maybe it will show me no leads. Okay, I don't know exactly. Sorry, it is my profile and it is help and support. So you can manage your leads, and you can find leads, and you can optimize them. Okay, it is very much kind of, you can find the your competitors or something like that. And inside review inbox, let me show you now the review inbox. Inside review inbox, you can you have to select your Facebook account, and from that account you will be given the review, and that will be working on the Facebook account feature only. Okay, so if someone is, you can just ready-madely or bot message kind of automatically you can put your answers. If someone giving any negative review, then you can send them instantly that we will try to do our service based or something like that. If someone is giving you good review, and you can previously make the message for them. Okay, so this is the settings option, and inside this the integrations option. Okay, so this was the tool, and let me show you now the pricings and all of the steps. So as there were so many features, it has gone 100% inside feature and facilities, and those features were very much looked premium. Okay, that's why it has got 100%, and performance it has got 99%. Ease of use 96%, value for money 98%, and market hits 98%. Overall it has got 9.8 out of 10, which is an extremely and outstanding performance. Okay, so you can use the starter pack within $27, and you can use the advanced or commercial pack within $37. Both of the options are given here. You can use these coupons. These are really vital for the launch period. Okay, for the launch period only. You can use this coupon code to get the respective discounts, and they are giving you additionally also 30 days no satisfaction money back guarantee, and they are very reputed marketer and also software vendor. And also this guarantee period or these stuffs is totally inspected by Zevizu platform. That's why you should have nothing to worry. You will be refunded. Okay, that is totally assured. Okay, so this is the definition of the tool, and these are the key features. You can go through all of them before purchasing this if you want to. So these kind of features were shown by Google previously, but these days Google is updating, and this software is also updating. Okay, so that's why this kind of software has been invented by the owners. So you will be given these features. So if you notice, you will be noticing that all of the features and all of the things inside this are quite premium looked. Okay, so that is the very good thing inside this, in my opinion. Okay, so you can edit all of the stuffs, and your website, your pages will be shown up here, and instantly you will be getting a tsunami of traffic assuredly. Okay, so these are the features, all of the features given here, and as I have already showed to you features, some of the features maybe. Okay, So you can go through the inside view furthermore by watching this video, and these are the owners. In my opinion, this is a ridiculously cheap for this kind of feature, for this kind of AI like features, like artificial intelligence like features. Okay, so this is a sales funnel, and this sales funnel is pretty much deep. You can check out by visiting this page. The description link is given, and if you want to get my bonuses, you have to go through this page. Okay, so let me show you my bonuses now. So inside case studies, you will be given 2 live case studies. Inside Facebook help, so you will be given some tools, and also Facebook help. Inside YouTube help, you will be given some tools and also YouTube help. Inside plugins, you will be given some essential plugins to grow your website. Inside images and musics, you will be given some, sorry, I have mistakenly written here. Inside ebooks, that will be given to you, and inside images and musics, you will be given 300k or 3k plus musics and 25 royalty plus loop musics, and I will write myself, okay, after doing this video. So inside PC games, but it is restricted to first 10 members only, you will be given some games, and this is a very good game, Plant vs Zombies. Inside software, so this is a very good pack. Inside softwares, you will be given some softwares. You can check out all of the softwares. Commission Fire was a very much good product, and I think still it is going good, and you will be given ready-made niche blogs, 100 plus blogs, and all of the stuffs you can check out via the descriptions, the short descriptions. And if you purchase any upsell, oh sorry, if you purchase so it is not ending here. After the software pack, there is a miscellaneous pack. Inside that pack, you will be given 10 more softwares, and also 10 done for you lead magnets, that means funnel pages. Okay, so this is an insane offer, and I think you should try this. So that was my opinion. And inside upsell bonuses, you will be given 200 plus softwares, 75 plus plugins, 1k plus high quality graphics, 1.46k doodle character images, and 100 plus miscellaneous product with resale rights. Okay, so inside PC games also, if you purchase the upsell bonus, you will be given 3 PC games, but it is restricted to first 10 members only. So what you have to do, that after purchasing the product, you have to go through your purchase history option inside your Zevizu account. From that account, you will be given this sky blue option. After purchasing this will be only appearing. Okay, so from this button, you will be given my bonuses, and that is the only way to getting my bonuses. So this was the product overview and also my bonus overview. I think I have covered up the bonuses and the product also. So I think I should sign out now. So I'm signing out now. So bye bye.